Imagine this. You're spending time with a woman and suddenly she starts pulling away. Maybe her text becomes slower or she stops making the effort she used to. It feels like she's drifting and you start feeling like you're doing all the work. We've all heard it. Men should chase women, be charming, and play the game. But what if I told you that the real secret isn't chasing her at all? What if the game changer is doing something completely different? One small action that, when you do it right, makes 99.9% of women chase you instead. Stay tuned, because this isn't just some trick. This is a mindset that completely flips the script. Number 1. Why women like men who are detached. Let's start by understanding why women are drawn to men who are emotionally detached. Now, I'm not suggesting that you should act cold or distant, but rather it's about emotional detachment. This means you don't need her approval, attention, or validation to feel good about yourself. You're living your life with purpose, focusing on your own goals and happiness, and that's magnetic. When you're emotionally detached, you give off the vibe that your life doesn't revolve around her. Women are naturally drawn to that. Why? Because emotional detachment shows strength, independence, and self-sufficiency. It signals that you're not desperate for her attention, which automatically makes you more attractive. When you're constantly seeking her validation, you're subconsciously lowering your value. But when you let go and focus on your own life, it forces her to rethink her position. She starts to wonder why you're no longer putting her at the center of your world, and that intrigue is what triggers her to chase you. Number 2. The power of silence. Why it drives women crazy. Here's where things get really interesting. Silence. We all know that silence can be incredibly powerful. But do you know why it's so effective? When you emotionally detach and stop seeking constant communication with her, it creates a powerful sense of absence. This silence works like a magnet because it gets her thinking, where did he go? Why is he suddenly distant? Initially, she might not even notice the absence, but as time goes on, she'll begin to feel it. And the more she starts to miss you, the more she's drawn to you. Women love mystery, and silence creates that mystery. By pulling back, you force her to realize that you're no longer going to chase her or constantly seek her attention. It's not that you're playing games, you're living your life, focused on your passions and goals, and that's incredibly attractive. Silence disrupts the pattern of predictable interactions and makes her question what's going on in your world. This curiosity drives her to pursue you, trying to fill in the gaps. Number 3. The psychology behind emotional detachment. Now let's take a deep dive into the psychology of emotional detachment and why it works so well. When you stop seeking constant validation and attention from a woman, you create an environment where she feels like she has to earn your attention. Think about it. When someone is always available and eager to please, their value in the other person's eyes decreases. You become predictable and easily accessible. On the other hand, when you adopt emotional detachment, you shift the balance. You become unpredictable, and that creates excitement. Women, like anyone, want something they can't have easily, and by practicing detachment, you present yourself as a challenge. But it's not about playing hard to get or pretending to be someone you're not. It's about being so secure in who you are that you don't feel the need to constantly chase or seek validation from her. You're already happy with your life and where it's going, and that's what makes you irresistible. This confidence and self-sufficiency make you appear high value, and high value people are always in demand. Number 4. How to master emotional detachment. Now that you understand the power of emotional detachment, let's talk about how you can master it. This is the one action that will make 99.9% of women chase you. But it's not about pretending to be uninterested. It's about shifting your mindset and embracing your own growth. Here's how you do it. 1. Focus on your own goals. Women are drawn to men who have a clear vision of where they're going in life. When you invest time in your career, personal growth, fitness, and hobbies, you build a life that is fulfilling and exciting. This means that your happiness doesn't depend on her. It's already anchored in your own ambitions. The more you focus on becoming the best version of yourself, the more attractive you become. 2. Live with purpose. When you live with purpose, you exude a magnetic energy that draws people to you. Whether it's a new project at work, a passion for fitness, or a personal goal, having a purpose fills your life with excitement, and women want to be part of that excitement. When your life is driven by purpose, she'll see you as a man who has something to offer, someone worth chasing. 3. Be busy, but not too busy. This doesn't mean you should avoid her or play games with her feelings. What it means is that you should have a life that keeps you busy and engaged. Make time for your own interests and passions, but don't be so wrapped up in them that you're unreachable. When she sees that you have a fulfilling life outside of her, she'll start to feel the pull toward you. 4. Don't chase her. Let her come to you. This is the hardest part for many men, but it's also the most rewarding. Stop chasing her and let her chase you. The key here is to become so busy living your life that you don't constantly seek her attention. When you stop putting her on a pedestal and instead focus on being your best self, she'll start to notice and pursue you. You've shifted the power dynamic, and now it's her turn to make the effort. Number 5. The result. What happens when you let go? Here's the beautiful thing about emotional detachment. When you embrace it, you start to see a complete shift in the way women interact with you. At first, you might not even notice the change, but soon enough, you'll realize that women are now approaching you, trying to get your attention, and maybe even seeking your validation. But this time, it won't feel like a game or manipulation. It will feel natural and effortless because you focused on what matters most, yourself. You've created a life that is fulfilling, exciting, and purposeful. This doesn't mean you have to be perfect, but it does mean that your world doesn't revolve around her. Your goals, your interests, your passions, these are your driving forces. When you're busy living your best life and pursuing your own happiness, women naturally want to be a part of it. They'll notice your confidence, your independence, and your ability to enjoy life without being overly dependent on them for validation. The more you let go of the need to constantly chase or seek approval, the more you'll notice women beginning to pursue you instead. They'll start to crave your attention, feel the pull toward you, and even wonder what has changed. They'll miss you, and as a result, they'll put in the effort to win you over. What's happening now is that the power dynamic has shifted, and this time it's her turn to make the effort. You've shifted from being the man who chases to becoming the man who is worth chasing. It's a subtle yet profound transformation, and it's this very transformation that makes you irresistible. So, remember, emotional detachment isn't about being cold or distant. It's about being secure in yourself and creating a life that doesn't revolve around chasing someone else. When you let go of the need for validation, that's when the real magic happens. Women will chase you because you're living a life that is exciting, fulfilling, and full of purpose. If you're ready to start implementing emotional detachment in your life and want to see these changes for yourself, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear about your experiences. And if you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more relationship tips that will help you become the best version of yourself. Stay confident, stay focused, and remember, attraction is about becoming the person who is worth chasing.